Today we're going to take a look at a pair of Air Jordan 1s that has skyrocketed in value. This is an OG Air Jordan 1. A lot of people love this colorway. It's a must cop for a lot of you out there. Let's get into this Jordan 1, man. This is a straight fire pair of Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. If you guys get this video up to 500 likes, I'll do another sneaker giveaway for a pair of Jordan 1s. I need to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Sole Premise. Sole Premise has high quality, amazing, dope travel bags for sneakerheads when they travel. Let me show you guys how great Sole Premise bags truly are. This right here is the commuter bag in white, really nice high quality leather with gold zippers this bag has. This bag does hold 1 to 2 pairs of sneakers, and this is like your day travel weekend bag. Very, very dope. Tons of space. You can fit your computer in here, clothes. I do have a pair of Jordan 1 breads in there right now. I'll take those out and show you guys. Tons and tons of space. You can fit your sneakers, clothing, everything like that. Got my bread 1s just like that. I love that. And you have more room here in the front with some extra zippers as well. This is a great high quality bag, and Sole Premise has a bunch of other great high quality bags for sneakerheads when they travel. I'm going to leave the link down below to Sole Premise. You guys can check them out. Make sure you do, and make sure you guys use my discount code Danny Moore. My name, Danny Moore, will save you 40% off your order. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. Let's take a look at this fire pair of Jordan 1s that have skyrocketed like crazy in value since their release. Now, to take a look at the sneaker, I'm gonna have to pull it out of my Sole Premise bag. Make sure you check them out with the link down below in the description. We'll take a look at the Jordan 1 that I did put in the Sole Premise bag. Yes, guys, the bread or band Air Jordan 1. These have skyrocketed in value. It's crazy, insane. The hype is through the roof for this. Wow, have they skyrocketed in price. This is an OG classic Air Jordan 1. This right here is the 2016 retro, and my pair, as you guys can tell, is completely dead stock. Brand new, never worn. All the lace bags still attached right there. Amazing pair of Jordan 1s. There is one thing I do want to say about this retro that is very unfortunate and so annoying: the glitter effect, which my pair doesn't have, as you guys can tell. Or maybe a little bit, tiny bit, but that's about it, because I put them in the clear drop front boxes since I've had them in 2016. That's the trick. I didn't keep them in the box at all. Do it with these. If you have, the 2017 Royals, Shadows, those are the Jordan 1s you really need to do that with. Anyway, point being, guys, this sneaker has skyrocketed in price. Can you guys believe how much this sneaker is? I'm going to tell you in case you don't know, haven't checked in a while. It might be mind-blowing, but this is like a $900 pair of Jordan 1s right now. $900, which is crazy. Depending on size. Crazy. Insane. And why did that happen? Why did this happen? Few reasons. First of all, it is a Jordan 1. Classic colorway. OG colorway. They did a really good job on them. They dropped 2016. The hype was through the roof. When they first dropped, they were going for roughly $300 to $350. They've went up in price to around $550, and then jumped past that as well. Why did they jump from like around $550 to that $900 price point? Because of The Last Dance. The only reason, but there's a lot of Jordans that have jumped, skyrocketed in price because of The Last Dance. These and Chicago's are definitely two that have jumped and skyrocketed in price because of The Last Dance. It's absolutely crazy, the price, especially on the Chicago ones, the 2015 Chicago's. Crazy. Those are going for like $350 when they dropped too, and now look at them. $1,500, $2,000. Insane. Absolutely insane. Fire. I love the bread or band Jordan 1. Clean. Absolutely a must. This is a dope shoe. I also have the 2013 pair. This is obviously very beat, as you can tell. Very beat. Heel drag and scuffs and all that. But yes, I have the 2013 pair as well, which I've worn a crap ton, and these are still dead stock. I still wear the 2013. Haven't pulled out the 2016 at all. at all. I'm looking for a worn pair so I can go ahead and sell the dead stock pair and pay less for the worn pair, and then we'll rock the worn pair, put some extra money in my pocket. That's something I like to do a lot. But yeah, man, awesome. Love the bread ones. Just a classic must-have sneaker for me. So yeah, the point of this video, this right here is a Jordan 1 that has skyrocketed in price. They were at $3 to $350 since release, and then just went up to about $550, and then the Last Dance made them go up even more. I don't think they'll go up anymore. I don't really want to say that. You never know anymore with Jordan 1s. You know, sky's the limit with some of them nowadays. Who thinks Chicago's will be where they're at? You know, they will retro Chicago's. That's another thing. They will retro this sneaker again. They will. It's only a matter of time. When, how, when, I should say. There's no if about it. You know that, right? They're gonna retro these. They'll retro the Chicago's. I personally think, I want to throw that out there, this out there. Just my opinion, not a rumor, nothing else. Just my opinion. We will get Chicago 1s with the 85 high cut in 2022. I do. Maybe even next year. Maybe even 2021. They might be holding on to us. We have the gray pair coming. They might give it to us. They did almost give us these with the 85 cut. They did throw in the varsity red and put more red on the shoe. Very close. Very close, Jordan brand. We see you. Give us what we want. You know, give us a retro. They will. They'll retro on the, definitely. They'll retro Chicago's. They'll retro all these Jordans that have gone up because of the Last Dance. And just every Jordan in general. It will retro again. They're releasing PEs now, and you know they've been doing that for a while, but PEs, retroing Dornbeckers. They've done DBs over the DB3s. You know, they'll do things over and over. Jordan brand, Nike, they'll slowly but surely give us what we want over time. Build up hype. That's just marketing and the way it is. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think. Are these a must? Let me know who has a pair, and if you do, are they dead stock? Let me know, man. I want to see who has a dead stock pair out there. These are must-haves. Awesome. I do want to throw this out there. If you have a 10.5 or an 11 that's worn, 2016 with OG All, hit me up, shoot me a DM, looking to cop a worn pair for a good price so I can let go of the dead stock pair and put some extra money in my pocket and cop another shoe. With that being said, I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. If you guys get this video up to 500 likes, I'll do another sneaker giveaway for a pair of Jordan 1s. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up right now. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit the subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.